morning, dear students. Today we will discuss remaining part of chapter 12. Example number 3. In a quadrilateral ABCD, AB equal AC equal AD. These three are equal. Then prove that angle BAD equal 2 into angle BDC plus a CBD. Okay. Now, according to question, first draw a diagram given AB equal AC equal AD and point A is on same distance from B, C and D. Why? Because AB equal AC equal AD na. So B, C and D are same distance from a point A. So center of a circle is A. Draw a diagram. Center of a circle is A. Now AB is radius, AC is radius, AD is radius, AD is radius. So BA, AC, AD, radius and all are equal. Now RBC at center makes angle BAC and angle BDC on a remaining part of circle. Okay, arc BC means this one, arc BC. Okay, now by arc BC, center makes BAC. Center means A and BAC means this angle. Center makes angle BAC and BDC according to question BDC, this angle. Okay, remaining part of a circle. Clear? Means same arc mention, first angle mention on a center and angle mention on a remaining part. Okay, theorem na, double of remaining part means like as discussed in previous video, angle makes on same arc means arc AB. Okay, angle makes on center and angle makes on a remaining part. Okay, relation between its double na, means let this angle is 30. Now angle AOB is a 60 degree. Okay, double of that na, this theorem we were read in previous video. Okay, so here used this theorem, angle makes on same arc means BC, angle make BAC on center and angle make remaining part of a circle. Okay, so BAC is double of BDC. BAC is double of BDC. Okay, equation first. Similarly, arc CD means similarly arc CD. Okay, now arc CD makes angle DAC. Same relation here, arc mention DAC and angle DAC and angle DBC. Okay, same conditions. Now angle CAD or DAC or CAD, same angle is double of CBD, is double of CBD. Okay, simple theorem use. Simple theorem use. Mention angle subtended by arc on same center is a double. Okay, now CAD equal to CBD by equation first and equation second. We add equation first and second. Now adding equation first and second, left hand side angle BAC plus angle CAD, angle BAC plus angle CAD. On right hand side 2BDC 2CBD, 2BDC 2CBD. Okay, now according to proveness, what will be proved? Left hand side angle BAD, right hand side 2BDC 2CBD, right hand side 2BDC 2CBD. As it is, left hand side is BAD na, so BAD means BAC plus CAD. Okay, here BAC plus CAD, it means BAD means this angle and this angle complete na, BAD. So angle BAD equal double of angle 2BDC and 2CBD, hence true. Okay, means we use simple theorem, okay, angle make and on same tangent is a angle subtended center by arc and its remaining part of circle. Relation is a double. Why? Because angle make on same arc is BC, angle make BC from BAC, angle make BC from BDC. First equation. Similarly, angle make on same arc CD, so angle is CAD and CBD. Okay, equation first and second, add equation first and second. Left hand side added, right hand side according to question. On left hand side BAD means angle BAC plus CAD, BAD, so we get BAD. And right hand side written as it is. Okay, so this will be hence true. Clear? Next question or next example, 285. Next is a 286. Okay, next question, next example. Next example is a question, example number 4. Example number 4 is a prove that taking equal side of isoscale. Isoscale means two sides are equal as a diameter. If we draw a circle, then it bisect the third unequal side. Okay, now according to question diagram, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, given isoscale, so two side equal means AB equal AC. Okay, and taking equal side isoscale as a diameter means diameter, so equal side, one of these equal side is taking diameter, so this one AC, we taking a diameter of circle. Okay, now draw diagram of circle. So then bisect the third unequal side, and this circle is bisect the third unequal side, means bisect means this circle, so third unequal side is AD. Okay, let third side is AD and BC na, so it bisect BC, third side BC, so it bisect BC at point D and A. Now in figure, isoscale triangle ABC, isoscale triangle AB and C, in which AB equal AC according to given condition. Taking AC as diameter, we taking AC as diameter, the circle intersect the unequal side BC at point D. Unequal side means third side, and third side is BC, and it intersect at point D, this point. Okay, now prove BD equal DC. Prove BD equal DC. This part will be true. Okay. The circle draw taking AC as diameter. Okay, we draw a circle AC as diameter and it bisect third side BC at point D. Mention as it is. Now the angle ADC. Angle ADC means AD and C. This angle means AD is perpendicular on a BC. Okay, so is an angle of half circle angle na, it means ADC is perpendicular 90 degree. Now in triangle ABC and ACD, we have seen two triangle na. ABC means first triangle, ABC means bigger triangle, and ACD, okay, opposite triangle means angle angle ABC means this angle, and ACB means this angle. Okay, now in these two triangle we having congruency, so prove congruency. AB equal AC means AB equal AC given. AB equal AC given part. Now here mention D. Here mention D. Two similar triangle ABD and ACD. Now here mention D. Okay. We prove similarity in these two triangle ABD ADC. Okay. Now AB equal AC. AB equal AC. First given part. Second condition, AD in triangle ABD, AD in triangle ACD. So AD equal AD common arm or common side. Mention AD equal AD common side. Third, ADB. ADB means this angle, right angle, and ADC means D is right angle. So ADB ADC right angle means a side angle. It means therefore by SAS rule, SAS congruency rule, by SAS congruency rule, triangle ABD similar to triangle ACD. Okay, ABD triangle congruent ACD. Now hence congruent triangle will be equal, corresponding sides will be also equal. Okay, theorem na, if corresponding side equal, then corresponding angle equal, and in congruent triangle will be corresponding side also equal. So mention BD equal a CD. According to question, to prove part BD equal DC na or BD equal CD. Now prove part BD equal a CD. Okay, simple theorem. Only we draw diagram according to given question condition. Okay, first draw a triangle. Now first triangle ABC and isoscale triangle also. So AB equal a AC. Now we prove BD equal DC. One side as taking diameter of circle. Now AC we take diameter of circle, and it is intersect third side BC intersecting point D. Now ADC 90. Therefore we proving congruency in two similar triangle ADB or ABD and ACD. Now AD equal AD common, AB equal AC given. Third condition, D equal D right angle. These two triangle similar or congruent by congruency rule. Okay, their corresponding part or corresponding side will be also equal. So BD equal a DC. BD equal DC. Okay, next one is a exercise 12.3. Okay, Exercise 12.3, question number first. Question number first is a state true and false and also write the justification of answer. Justification of answer means this is this statement is true and why. Okay, give statement and proof. Now first part, diagram is given, circle and AOB is diameter, okay, O is center, C, D and E. Point CDE on a circumference of circle. Okay. Now first part is the angle subtended by any chord on any 2 points of circle are equal. Okay. Why? The angle subtended by any chord. Angle subtended by any chord means of any 2 point means point C or point D. Okay, we taking point C, let point C and D. So angle subtended by an chord. Chord means we let these 2 point taking angle subtended on center and angle subtended on remaining part. So it is not possible. So false, because we know that the angle subtended by a chord or at any 2 point of a circle are equal only when both point lie on the same segment. Both point lies on a same segment. Here this condition is not possible. Okay, because both point are not on a same line segment. Both point are not on a same line segment. Okay, so this statement is a false. Clear? Next statement is a AB is diameter. Okay, AB is diameter now of circle and C is any point on the circle. Yeah, C is any point on the circle. Then AC square plus BC square plus AB square. AC plus BC equal AB square. It means condition of right angle na by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now we discuss in previous video. We were discuss about this in previous video. Angle made on semicircle means point AB. Angle made on semicircle is a right angle, means this angle is a 90 degree. Okay, we were discuss this theorem in previous videos na. Okay, now means 90 degree. So opposite to 90, here angle C is 90. Now hypotenuse is a AB. AB is hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal perpendicular. Perpendicular means AC or CB. Any one perpendicular and one of these a base. So perpendicular square plus a base square. It means AB square equal AC square plus BC square. Condition AB square equal AC square plus BC square. Yes, true, because angle C is right angle. Before angle AC square plus BC square equal AB square. Why this statement is true? Because angle made on a semicircle is 90 degree. Okay, so clear that ACB angle made on same segment, sorry, on semicircle is 90 degree. So this statement is a true. Now third statement is a angle ADE. Angle ADE means this angle. Okay, angle ADE equal 120. Yeah, then EAB is 60. EAB is 60. Okay, yes or no? True. Why? Because in figure joined angle after joining AD, DE, DB, after joining AD, DE, DB and EB, angle BDE equal 120 degree. Angle BDE is 120. Now 120 minus 90, it means 30 degree. So remaining angle 90, 30 and 60, because in a triangle sum of all angle is a 180. So one is 90, one is 30 and one is a 60. Okay. Now next, here angle BDE and EAB are made on a same arc. Okay, means this statement is also true. Now last statement, if angle CAD equal angle CED, true or false? CAD. So we check out CAD equal angle CED, means we joining AC, CD, AD, DE and CE. Angles CAD and angle CED are made on a same arc. Okay, it means these two angle are equal because both of angle are made on a same arc. It means angle CAD equal angle CED, means statement is a true. Okay students, remaining question try yourself. If you have any doubt, then write your doubts comments in comment box. Okay, thanks.